Okay, it's charging. Good. Right. Next is the AC here, AC output. So I have here the charger itself. Okay, good. So don't forget to turn on the switch. There is a switch here for the AC. Okay. And let's try. All right. So it's working. It's charging. I'm satisfied with this product. Oh, great. Yeah, everything's okay. And then for the last one is if this one becomes low battery, so we need to charge it. So I have here the charger, free charger. So let's open it. So this is the charger, 12 volts charger. So we're going to try if this will work. I'll just remove this one. Okay. So I'll plug it here in the outlet, and then you can see it's green, so there is power already. Okay, here I'm going to turn everything off. Good. And I'm going to charge it now using the AC charger. Let's see if it's going to charge. Okay, so it turned orange, so I guess that means it's charging. So when it's green, I think that says, or the meaning of it is it's fully charged already. Okay, green. It turned green, so meaning this one is fully charged. So we have to remove. Interesting, huh? So this LED indicator is very important to see if it's charging or if it's already charged or something else. Okay, so that is the testing. I hope this will last for more than 3 years. And this one is very important, especially if you are in an area who experiencing a lot of power interruptions. So probably I'm going to post a comment or add to the description of this video about how many hours to run an electric fan and as well as the light using the AC as well. And of course for the charging, how fast it is as well, especially for the PD because it's 18 watts here. It says 18 watts fast charging. All right, so that's it. This is the review for the 200-watt power station emergency battery backup that I bought from Lazada last 8 days sale. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the like button. Post any comments in the comment section and any questions as well. I'm going to respond to you as soon as I can. So thank you, and I hope that you will share this video as well to anyone who is interested to know about this power station. So that's all. Goodbye.